one. This one. You put this here?
Yeah.
No, it's too close to that. This one, put it right here. I have one here. Balance it here.
It's no.
Guys, you're not talking. You're just on the live. What are you guys doing?
Mm.
All right. Which ones you wanna give me now, babe?
Shiny one.
You wanna get a highlight?
Another one. Yeah, baby.
How is it looking so far, guys? Are you too far? Are you
It
guys
looks
seeing?
good. Oh, it looks beautiful.
I don't know if you're seeing well because the light, and I feel like it's in a very bad place where lighting is concerned. Maybe your phone has a different view than the computer. Let me see how it looks.
It's amazing.
What are you doing?
Can you see it?
Oh yeah, it's really small, but it's fine.
Yeah. So
I don't know if we're gonna be
each
getting a
year
ribbon or
should get it
anything.
bigger.
We may.
That would be a thing.
We may get
So
a
now
ribbon
you
or
get to
something.
do a thing. So each year we'll add a foot to the Christmas tree. Well,
A what, babe?
a foot, like 30 inches. It's like for 10 years.
That's overdoing
10,
it
10
now.
feet. It'll be like, if some people have it. So for the next 10 years, we'll be adding a foot to the Christmas tree. And for that challenge, please? Mm-hmm.
I could do well. I could just go instantly up.
Oh, but it's something to look forward to.
Oh, I'll use the other one at the bottom. Put
Careful,
this one
babe.
right here. We may have too many ornaments, guys. So we're making it work.
Some people have more ornaments than tree.
That's true. I literally just saw that one.
Oh, we don't have a lot of ornaments, babe. Look at that. Because we don't have bowl and whatever. And we may get like a couple candy canes to put on it.
Let me just step right here to see how it looks from afar to see where I actually need to add something. Okay, now I see. This would take one right here. So when you actually step away, it makes it better for you, being that we actually don't have a walk around. So yeah, babe, things that we don't need to put here, but if you guys are seeing what I'm seeing, it looks pretty bare, not having anything here.
There as your bear, babe.
So I am gonna put some here. All right, babe. What else?
The next one now.
All right.
Yeah, I think we're so short and it looks, oh, we didn't turn it on.
Short.
Yeah, we need more stuff.
No, we don't turn it on until we're done decorating. That's how it goes, babe. Have more?
Gotcha.
I'm not supposed to be stooping like that, but I did. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And tell me where you're from. Tell me who you are. Talk to me. And I'd always say, not like lovers do, but feel free to talk. You know what I mean? Okay, babe. I can take some more.